welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Walking Street and later we're gonna eat in simple, cheap place. So let's go.
Hello, hello.
Doing some filming?
Yeah,
Okay. Have a good night.
thank you.
Yes.
Kuha ko ng pera pang ano? Kala ko hindi ka papasok.
This is our subscriber from
Hello.
Japan.
From Japan.
Yeah, I messaged you last day because I've been arrived. No, last day. Yeah, maybe last day. Because I've been arrived that night and then I said, I hope we can meet. But wow, it's an accident.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, no, welcome.
Thank you.
Hi po. Nice to meet you po.
Shaira, where you go? What you want? You want it?
Yes.
Where? Choking maybe? Do you want in choking?
I want Korean food.
What?
I want Korean food.
Korean foods? Korean foods is only in the Isan or you know where. So what you think? What better for you? Kimchi or Isan restaurant?
Isan.
Isan? Okay, let's go to Isan restaurant. If you want, take a look. There's so many cakes. Show me what popular cake in the for Filipina.
For Filipina, it's popular this one.
What name? I know popular if cheap
Bread
is
pan.
what? This is
This one, bread pan.
bread. Bread is popular.
And also pandikoko.
Pandikoko. Where pandikoko?
Ano ba yung tingnan?
Excuse me, do you have pandikoko? Where? This is pandikoko.
Do you want to buy?
No, 2 pieces. I want to try because I don't know. In our place, it's 5 peso. I know taste. I don't know about here. 10? No, 10 don't have 50. It's okay. I want to try pandikoko. Also, this is popular. I know one my friend always eat in this restaurant. No, it's not restaurant, canteen. Because it's adobo have. Yes.
You like this one, right?
Yes. What name?
It's menudo or afritada.
Yes. I remember we before in Subic. No, next time we can try to eat here. I like. No, if you want, we can eat right now here. You want? Okay. Adobo and all this. It's not spicy.
It's not spicy. Oh. Up to you what you want, but I want
Up to you. You choose what you want, Shaira. It's very close from Tiger Hotel. Uncle John is mini stop before. I will show here. Carinderia. Jenny's Carinderia name. Jenny's Carinderia. Вот Шайра Бета. О, Минуда?
Ano po kasi to? Menudo. It's menudo. What do you want?
I want fresh, not long cook.
This one or...
No, it's also meat
Yes, it's
and not
sweet.
spicy.
It's not spicy.
I don't know. Okay, adobo with leg, chicken leg.
Two rice.
Huh?
Rice.
With rice, yes, with rice. Okay, we go inside. Also have coconut juice. Usually coconut in the Philippines about 35 peso, 30-35. Excuse me, how much coconut here? Coconut, how much? Here 50, okay. So we know now 50 in Carinderia, here 50 coconut. No, I will sit here and you sit here. This is adobo. Adobo and potato inside. So you like it?
Yes. Full.
Full? So we walk little bit around Walking Street.